people who are entering the space, anyone who goes into Web3 and understands what it means, it's much bigger than just the product. But when you actually understand what it stands for, when you understand the idea, the promise, the prospect, and the ability of it, then you don't care that much necessarily about the initial gloss and glean and what it looks like. And that's the metaverse, that's Web3. And once you're infected with this idea of economic freedom in the digital platforms, you never want to go back. What Web3 gaming does is not the fact that you must make money from it. It's the fact that it unleashes and transparently opens up the financial ecosystem of the gaming world.
You just demonstrated that close association between property rights, freedom of speech.
It is all tied. It is all tied. It is all tied. Politics are politics, but at the end of the day, politicians still have to listen to their people. And if their people want something that is maybe more connectedness and more compassion, then the politicians who advocate for this will be the ones who are elected. When you do the work that you do, think about the why and think about sort of why is it important. When you get to this point where you have the luxury and the ability to think about the greater things that you could do, the choices you make because of it, I think you will live a more fulfilling life. We need to find a way in which our younger children can learn about economics literally at the primary school level. And I think this is what excites me around Web3 and blockchain gaming. This is where children engage. They'll learn about this. If they don't learn it at school, learn it there. And that's what I'm really hopeful about where the world will go.